Hey everyone, Chris here. Thank you very much for tuning in. I got a quick little tech review for you. So today we're taking a look at this Viotek HAWKPECK 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard and mouse combo set. It says right here that this wireless keyboard and mouse has an effective distance of 32 feet. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista 7 and 8, but I can also confirm that it works with Windows 10. Alright, so the back of the box shows the keyboard and mouse and the little USB dongle. Here we have a feature description. Here we have specs on the keyboard. Over here we have specs on the mouse. And then of course the operating system support. Inside the box we have the keyboard, we have the mouse, plus it came with a little baggie with your starter batteries, plus the little piece of rubber that you can put on the feet of the keyboard to help keep it in place. The buttons do have a real nice soft touch to them, so it's definitely makes for a nice typing experience. The keys are quiet. One of the concerns I had with one of my previous mechanical keyboards is that I do tech support from home from time to time, and the keys were so loud it really kind of made it hard for me to hear the conversation I was having on the telephone. So noise concerns definitely not an issue with this mouse and keyboard set. So you have your red gaming keys right here and right here. There was no key puller included with this keyboard, nor were there replacement keys, so it's pretty much you just leave it as is. You have your multimedia keys along each side of the keyboard. Okay, so you have your email button, your home button, your file explorer button, calculator, and then mute. On the opposite side, you have play, pause, back, forward, volume up, and volume down. One complaint that I do have about this set is that there is no num lock, cap locks, buttons like that. There's a little button here which looks like it's supposed to flash when your batteries are low. So missing those lights is unfortunate, but there is free software that you can download to display in your system tray whether or not you have your cap locks on or not. Here's the bottom of the keyboard. Here you have the battery compartment. Your feet are right here. There is no on or off for the keyboard, so it's an always on situation. Right here is the mouse. On the palm rest we have the Viotek logo, which is kind of like almost like an Android / Mystical Knight, I'm not sure, but it looks cool. We have the back and forward buttons here. Left click, right click. You have your scroll wheel here, and there's a click underneath that, and then your DPI buttons right here. On the bottom of the mouse, here we have the little storage spot for your USB dongle, and then the button compartment right here. The mouse does not have an on-off switch. So what happens due to a specified amount of inactivity or time of inactivity, the mouse will go into like a sleep mode, and it requires a click of any button to bring it back to life. Now, my personal thoughts on this set, like I had mentioned before, the only real complaint I have is the lack of the num lock, cap locks button or lights. Everything else I do like. I really like the multimedia keys. That was a selling point for me. I like the look, I like the feel, I like the little logo of the Android / Knight, whatever it is. So if you're in the market, I definitely recommend picking this up. I actually have two sets of these. I have one here for my home office, plus I brought one into work to use there as well. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know below. Comment, like, subscribe, and share if you feel inclined. And until next time, we'll talk to you later.